Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x equals x minus 4 times x squared plus 6x plus 9. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A. P has exactly two distinct real zeros. B. P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C. P has exactly one distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. D. P has exactly one distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. To find the zeros of a function, we will make the factors equal 0, right? So there are two factors in this given polynomial. The first one is x minus 4 equals 0. The second one is x squared plus 6x plus 9. So if I will make it equal to 0, I will just add 4 to both sides. And x equals 4. And this one, this is x and x. And this is 3 and 3. When you multiply 3 and 3, you get 9. And when you add them, you get positive 6. Therefore, this can be written as x plus 3 times x plus 3 gives you 0. So if I will make it equal to 0 each of these factors, and we will take away 3 from both sides, x becomes negative 3 on this one. This is exactly the same thing, so we're gonna do the same thing. X equals negative 3. So we have negative 3 and 4 as the zeros of the polynomial, which means that we have two distinct real zeros. We have 3 factors, but these two are negative 3s are the common, they are same. That's why the correct answer for this specific question is choice A. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.